Guess who's back, folks?
Sammy the seagull is back, and he's got me with his dive bomb attack. I know he's keeping an eye on his brood, but it looks like he's kind of rude. Oh, Sammy's just a seagull. He's not a golden eagle, but Sammy the seagull is back. Oh man, he's back. Oh man, he's back. Oh yeah, Sammy the seagull is back, and he's got me with his dive bomb attack. Oh, Sammy the seagull is back, and I know he's keeping an eye on his brood, but it comes across as kind of rude. Oh, Sammy the seagull is back. Oh yeah, Sammy's just a seagull. He ain't a golden eagle, but Sammy the seagull is back. Oh man, he's back. Oh man, he's back. Oh man, he's back. Sammy the seagull. Sammy.
It's Sammy the seagull. He's back. Must be roosting again. Yeah, every time I come out, he looks out. He makes that noise when I come out. God. They're everywhere. Damn seagulls. Where is he? Where is he? There he is, perched on the roof. See him? There he is. Just protecting your brood, mate, eh?
All right, folks. Now, today I would like to talk about something I haven't really talked about much, chess. Now, I love a game of chess, man, and I've just got right back into it. I used to play it a long time ago. I learned to play, I can't remember how I learned to play, but I remember going to some sort of chess club at school and that, and Dad taught me how to play it. So, I've been playing chess with my mate Andy at work, and I started off pretty good, man. I won 2 games, but now I've just lost like 20 in a row. It's just pathetic, man. I just blunder all the time. I just lose. I've lost my queen. I played 2 games tonight, and I lost my queen just within like 6 or 7 moves. Just blundering, just not watching what's going on, man. So it's so annoying. I mean, I love chess, and I'm quite good at it, but then I'm just absolutely shite at it as well. I just don't know. So I've got this book, the Chess Player's Handbook, that I've found in my library, man. So I'm going to have a look at this, see what's going on. I've been looking at YouTube as well, but you know, it's just, I don't know, man. I can get to some, I haven't got that killer instinct. I think that's what it is, man. And I forget the theory, and it's just a nightmare sometimes. But anyway, I do love a game of chess, and as I say, I really enjoy it. But I wish I was better. I really wish I was better. I've got this chess set sitting there on the bed at the minute, trying to learn the Caro-Kann defence and the London system. There's all these names for it. The King's Gambit declined, and the Queen's Gambit accepted, and the advanced this, that, and the other, and the fried liver attack. And oh man, it's just, there's loads to learn. But my favourite chess player is Bobby Fischer, the American guy who went Duwali. But I like Bobby Fischer's moves. He does some weird openings, man. He starts by moving a pawn and is king of all things, man. Absolutely mental. But he's a great player, and he hardly ever loses. So we're going to study this Chess Player's Handbook. I think it's quite an old-fashioned book. That's the only thing, though. The King's Knight's opening. Here we go. You know, in the blah-de-blah. The King's Gambit Knight's opening. The King's Bishop's opening. The King's Gambit. What else we got here? The King was quite a big one. The King's Gambit. Wow. And then we're going to book 2, the Queen's Gambit. Yes, the Queen's Gambit. Irregular openings. I've got an irregular opening. Yeah, but don't talk about that though. Anyway, I'm going to get better at chess. I must improve. Come on, Jack, you can do it. Oh, what's going on? A very good morning. You're finally here at 5 o'clock in the morning. The 5 o'clock sun has just risen over the rooftops, dappling against the woodwork here. Here it is, a 5 o'clock sun. Just rising. There it is. There it is. Wow. Yeah, 5 o'clock in the morning, folks. I just can't sleep. I've been awake since about past 2. Pure nightmare. Just lying there listening to the Raconteurs webpage, the podcast. Raconteurs, Gary Kemp and Guy Pratt. Now, Guy Pratt is a bass player who's played with everybody, from Madonna to Pink Floyd, I think he did some Michael Jackson stuff as well. Anyway, mega bass player. Gary Kemp, obviously him from Spandau Ballet. A very strange partnership, but it's an incredible, listen, they have a podcast every week, about an hour of people from the 80s and just people from the background of music and things like this. Week's one was Tim Booth from James. James is one of my favourite bands. It's and also one, you know, James's famous song is "Sit Down." Whoa, sit down. Whoa, sit down. Sit down next to me. A song of lonely protest, but it's got a great lyric in that song. It just rips my heart apart every time I hear it, man. It just goes, "If I hadn't seen such riches, I could live with being poor." Just such a good lyric, man. Brilliant lyric. Anyway, that's what I've been doing. Listening to the podcast and listening to James, the new album. And it's called Welcome to the Wonderful. It's an orchestral version of all their old songs. And I've got this, remember this cup? I got it from Frankie. Frankie, thank you very much, man. I use it all the time, and especially at 5 o'clock in the morning. Cheers. See if I can get some sleep. Bucket juggling, folks. Hello, welcome to, I'm at work. We have a bun of the day, but it's a cake and it's all over. It's absolutely squashed all over the place. Look at this. It's a clotted cream and strawberry. Oops, I dropped it. Cake. Now this woman, she's a great baker. Look at this. Oh man. Well, it's very strawberry. Very moist indeed. That must be the clotted cream in there. But yeah, man, it's really nice. As you can see, folks, it's all very squidgy. No, it's all right, man. I can eat a lot of it, but it's very good, I must admit. Strawberry good. Yeah, so for that bun of the day, presentation isn't very good, I'm afraid. It's very squashed, so loses points for that. I hope the woman's not watching this. As I said, couldn't eat a lot of it, but yeah, so for this bun of the day, this is just going to get rather a 7 out of 10. Yeah, just it's not my sort of cup of tea, really. Yeah, I just really can't eat a lot of that, man. I'm not too fond of cream, you see, that's the trouble. So there you go, 7 out of 10 for that bun of the day. Thanks for watching, folks. If you're wondering what this badge is all about, this one here, look at this. That one there, I got that badge for being the ultimate member of staff. Oh, goodness, let it slip down here. The ultimate member of staff, man. Yeah, that's what I got that badge for. Right, I'm gonna have to go and wash my hands. I'm really sticky. That's very sticky, that thing as well. Yeah, so I just couldn't eat a lot, I'm afraid. Sorry, but 7 out of 10 is okay. Right, and this is Wednesday today, folks. So I hope you all have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do appreciate it as always. Thank you. Over and out.